Hello, hello world and welcome. We are live streaming from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. This is 0 to 100. We are going to spend together an hour listening to great records, probably records you never heard, records that you definitely want people to hear or enjoy on mainstream media. And records that come from, well, the world, but especially records that come from Venice region in northeast Italy. And these records come from local artists, local producers, local musicians. We also have a very strong fan base that is tuning in from London, and I'm mentioning this because tonight we are actually opening the show with a record that comes straight from London. So feel free to interact live in the chat. It's going to be a jam-packed show, so definitely stay tuned and feel free to interact live on YouTube. Feel free also to choose whatever language you use. We are a multilingual show and we'll be happy to interact with you wherever you're connected from. So, with that said, this is the first show of 2026. And we had a break in January because we, at XYZ, we dedicated 1 month to finalize the planning for all the shows and events for this new year. And it's been quite intense because we have a lot planned, and of course we wish we could have longer days, like not just 24 hours available, but yeah, that's the time we have available. So we did our best and we are actually psyched about what awaits ahead for this year. Now, let's crack in and let's warm up today, moving from mellow vibes. So we're gonna start with nice chill vibes to move all the way to the end of the show, enjoying peak hour bangers. This is a little bit what makes special 0 to 100. And today I chose a very unique record to open the show, and this comes from Martin Fernandez, also known as Osmond Francis. He's based in London, incredibly passionate music lover, very good producer, and he recently launched this new project, and the track that I'm going to share today actually it's been released quite recently. I tested out this track in a couple of sets, especially my experimental sets. The answer, I would say, the way, you know, it engaged people on the dance floor was very good, so I thought to share it again here during our show for those of you who don't know this artist and haven't heard or had the opportunity to listen to this track. So enjoy it. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. This is Ellie Sherlock, How Love Works, Osmond Francis drum and bass remix. Enjoy. What an amazing track. What an amazing track. Well done, Martin. Well done, Martin. I've been on Martin for quite a while, and there is like, yeah, as a bottom line, a never-ending passion for music, especially jungle. I'm going to actually share a link to his Bandcamp so you can find out more about his current and future projects. He already released also additional tracks, and if you are into jungle and you're into like some fresh tunes, I would definitely encourage you to go and have a look at what's boiling, because it's definitely worth it. Dropping it now. You can feel free to interact live in the chat. We already have some guests. Let's see who's tuning in. Matteo Gandin. Ciao Matteo, hi and welcome. Matteo is another music lover. He loves to tune in every time we are live streaming. Matteo, it's always good to have you with us. Thank you for joining us during the show. All right, how are you? How have you been? How did last year end and how the new one started? Let us know in the chat. Today's show, it was actually quite challenging to prepare because we have way more music coming in inbound than we have time to share with you. If you are new to this YouTube channel, well, we have some other social channels on Instagram, Facebook, and on TikTok at ModeZeroOfficial, where you can interact also during the week and where you can, let's say, get in touch with us. And it's always nice to get to know you because this is a great example, this record we just shared, that actually tunes in and matches your taste. I've been talking to quite a lot of people, I would say, that are into jungle, and this is why we chose this record specifically, to share it with you tonight. So yeah, feel free to interact across socials, even though YouTube remains our main channel, I would say. Yeah, feel free to join us wherever works best for you. Now, on that note, I want to share today another special track that hit my radar on social media. So at the end of last year, I got to know this other artist, and he is from the Netherlands. I'm talking about Isch. I hope I'm pronouncing that well. It's spelled E-S-C-H, from Nijmegen in the Netherlands. And I deep dived on his Instagram channel, and he's an active DJ and a producer. And he released one beautiful track that I tested in my sets, and I really, really enjoyed it. This track is part of the Set Records VA release. Has been released just recently. I had the opportunity to enjoy the promo and immediately, got stuck in my ear, and I tested it out. It's very, very nice, and I'm gonna share this with you. This project it includes productions from 10 artists. I'm not going to spoil it. I'm not going to tell you too much about it because it's packed with fresh energy. I would say pure underground hit. And this is a journey, from garage groove to club pressure, I would say, shaped by all local rising talents from this city. So I'm just gonna drop the needle on this track. Let me find it for you, and we're going to enjoy it together. If there's anybody else tuning in from the Netherlands, let us know, because we are always happy to meet new people and new music lovers. So this is Dean and the Esh. The track is Robo. it's a beautiful one, so take it all in. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy, moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. Enjoy! Nice track. Well done, Dean and Ish Robot. Sorry. This is it's a beautiful track because it's incredibly minimal, hypnotic, and it has very nice groove. So for someone like me that usually tends to play with multiple records at the same time and likes to jam and play with tunes like this, these are perfect ingredients if you're looking to add something, you know, to your record bag that, yeah, adds a little bit of spice and, gives you enough freedom to play around with. So definitely well done, incredibly nice project. I dropped a link to the SoundCloud account where you can deep dive and find out more about this project. Let's have a look. Hello, welcome everyone in the chat. You had also the opportunity to see one of our music cats joining us live. That was Zelda. There's also a black and white, and that's Mia. They are in love with music, so every time we spin some records, they like to jump around and actually sometimes help, you know, with the mixer or with the turntables. It's always entertaining, I would say, when they join us. Okay, so moving on with our show, we are gradually, we're starting to warm up and moving from these initial mellow vibes to more upbeat records. And up next, we have a unique one, because this one comes from Venice region. And I've been waiting to share this for quite a while. I love this track. It sits in my library. And it's a special one because it was made by Beatrice Della Vecchia. The title is Starting Somewhere, and Beatrice is a pretty good DJ, I would say, and a good producer. She was one of the finalists of the Jaeger Music Lab in 2025, and this track was actually created during this project. She was one of the finalists. I encourage you to go and dig on YouTube if you want to find out more about this release, and also on Instagram if you're curious about who Beatrice is. I had the pleasure to meet Beatrice a couple of times. She's an incredibly positive person, and this positive energy shines through her music as well. Not only her DJ set, but especially from her productions. And I'm not gonna wait, I'm gonna share this right away. So we're gonna enjoy it. This is Starting Somewhere, Beatrice Dalla Vecchia. Enjoy it. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. All right, this was an incredibly, I would say, energetic track. So, Beatrice, we can't wait to see what you're gonna come up next. Now that you took off, we're all tuned in and anxious to see what else you're going to release. If this is the first time for all you out there, and this is the first time you hear about Beatrice, yeah, dig deep in her social channels, because you will find a lot more information about her, and stay tuned. Definitely a new emerging artist that is worth enjoying. And this track is available also on all streaming platforms, so if you want to find out more and enjoy it again, take it all in. Now, welcome everyone. Let's see. Okay. Yes, hello, hello, hello. Perfect. Okay, now this is a moment that we take, like every show, to mention our sponsor, and this is Flusso Music. Flusso Music is a project dedicated to supporting underground music, and underground music that I would say, or producers that create underground music and that like to push a little bit the boundaries, not productions that fit the box, but producers that think outside of the box. They are not afraid to take risks and explore new musical paths that you wouldn't normally actually look at or embrace. And we have noticed that these are usually the best opportunities to create something that is completely different. FlussoMusic.com is a project founded by me and Matteo Salviato. It's in its early stages. You can feel free to visit us at FlussoMusic.com, and there is a sign-up form. You can enjoy the newsletter, and you're gonna be the first one to be notified when we're gonna open the doors to the much larger public, and you're gonna be the first one to also enjoy our premium releases. So, FlussoMusic.com. Excellent. Today's show, it's actually pretty good. There's a lot of unreleased music, a lot of new, fresh tracks, and up next we have an incredibly special one. I'm just gonna start by sharing with you the actual record I'm talking about, and this is Ino 2, or Ino at the second. I don't even know how to pronounce this, but the title is Endless, okay, and is a 10-inch record released by Valterino and Keller, the magic duo. Valterino, I've been known him for quite a while. I discovered him in the 90s, but I had the pleasure to meet him again recently, over the last couple of years, and I enjoyed his sets. He is a DJ and a producer with a soulful house DNA, and he never gets tired to produce music. You probably heard, if you're already a subscriber to this channel, the recent release of his latest album, and we were happy to enjoy it together. This is a new project. It's a 10-inch that just arrived. As you can see, I got it. I just literally opened the envelope and got it out to share it with you tonight. And I'm psyched about it, because I've been waiting for this record for quite a while. It's a limited series, and it's an incredibly special one. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 45. Let me double check, so I'm not going to spoil you this sonic experience. And in fact, it is a 45. So, this is Endless. Ino 2, unreleased, 10-inch, is a pure gem, made in Italy. Take it all in. It's packed with great positive, soulful energy. And let us know what you think about it in the chat. Enjoy! We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy.
I don't care who's doing better than me. I'm not in competition with anyone else. The only rival I have is the person I was yesterday. Last year, I was different. I've grown, I've learned, I've improved, and that's what truly matters. It's me versus me.
Nice, 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 nice. A special 10-inch record, one to add to your collection. This is a versatile record, I would say, and the beauty of it is just one side. The other one is blank, so is this, love it or hate it, you know, two endless, unreleased, a true gem. Well done, Valterino, well done, Keller. We can't wait what you're gonna be releasing next. Even though tuning in your channels, I've seen something is boiling, and so yeah, I'm already warming up my hands and my needles to drop your next tune. We are all curious about it. Okay, let's have a look what's going on in the chat. Let's see if there's someone new joining in. Welcome, everyone. Great. So, now, okay, we are, we warmed up, I would say. And the next record that I selected for today's show, it's a pretty good one because it has incredibly good vibrations. I really enjoyed it the first second I listened to it, and it's a Sweaty Bull in the Moment EP. And this is one of those records that creeps in and locks you in. Definitely. So we're gonna enjoy it together. Turn up the volume, yeah, feel it and get sweaty because it's worth it. On the dance floor or wherever you are connected or enjoying today's show. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy.
For now, when I do it, big I want to do it. accept my emotions. If you respond to my sound, then I am happy, truly happy. This is real. This is now. Accept my emotions. If you respond to my sound, then I am happy, truly happy. This is real. My emotions. If you respond to my sound, then I am happy, truly happy. This is real. This is now. Accept my emotions. If you respond to my sound, then I am happy, truly happy. This is real. This is now.
Sweaty Bull in the Moment EP. This was like definitely bubbly, energetic, fresh tune, and yeah, I think it's going to keep sitting in my bag for quite a while. There are other free versions on this EP, all diverse and all incredibly versatile. It's a record that you can enjoy simply at home as well, you know, partying with friends, or if you are working as a DJ, definitely a gem. Because of this variety of tracks, I think it's a good one to add. Also because when we are all struggling to pack and fit into a record bag enough tunes to consistently deliver good sets, you never know what kind of audience you're gonna find. So by choosing to take with you records like this, yeah, you have a much wider palette of sounds you can play around with. Dropping it there, food for thoughts. Okay, up next, I'm going to, well, this has been a little bit of a crazy ride. Why? Because I'm talking about Schedule. Schedule is, his name is Andrea, his name like me, and he is from Italy. He comes from Venice region, from beautiful Cortina. If you don't know where the place is, you might as well tune in the Olympic Games. They are currently running in Milano and Cortina, so you can spot it on the map. And Schedule is an incredibly prolific producer. In fact, it's become a little bit of a problem for me because I really enjoying his tunes and I don't have enough shows to share them all. Like just here I have another 4 releases that are popping up, and eventually let me know what you would like to hear about next from him. I chose as a record for this initial show of 2026 a unique release, and I'm gonna share with you the actual record so you can have a look at it. I'm talking about this record. There you go, and it's a unique one because it's all Italian, I would say. It's been a collab, a project, okay, between Andrea and Enrico Vivaldi. This release, I'm going to share also the B-side or the opposite side of the record because it's worth it. Look at this. What a beautiful record. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to share it with you on the turntable because this one, it's a consistent record, I would say. It's, first of all, I like the project. This is Rebu. Rebu, as far as I was able to understand, was born in Milan's underground scene. Okay, and it just turned from a party to into a label. And this release that I just mentioned, it has 4 tracks on both sides. Honestly, they're all good, so it's up to you to deep dive and find your favorite one. I'm just going to play, I would say, the first track on this side because it starts with a mellow entry and then it builds up on energy. This is like a true deep connection to what makes Schedule, but in this case also Enrico Vivaldi's production, unique. You know, this dark imprinting, this full energy that you can feel throughout the entire EP. A deep connection, pure instinct, and emotion on wax. So let's drop in and enjoy one of the cuts together. This is Enrico Vivaldi and Schedule Nebula Resonance EP, Rebu. Enjoyed. We are live streaming from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Enrico Vivaldi and Schedule, Nebula Resonances EP on Rebu. What a trip, what a trip. There is something I like about this record, and is that it takes me back in some way to the 90s, to the early days of techno. Well, at the time we used to call it progressive. It feels like, you know, injection of that atmosphere, and it really comes through. And it's something actually that distinguishes Schedule on also other productions. If you already heard some of his records, and I recently discovered also Enrico, who I haven't met yet in the real world, but I hopefully one day, you know, I got the chance to meet. You know, it really comes through. And this is what led me to choose the next record for today's show. So, the next record is Joy Beltram. This is an old record that comes from the 90s. It actually comes from 1990, and it was released on RNS, and I also have the cover here that I'm gonna share with you. There you go. So this record, it's still played everywhere, and it's still devastating. Okay, so this is Beltram Volume 1, and this is a jam-packed record because it has this classic track, and as soon as I'm gonna play it, you will immediately remember, for those of you who are aficionados of the 90s and of this kind of music. But I also enjoy the other tracks on the records that, you know, sits on both sides. They are beautiful tracks. You can also play on a more mellow vibe or mellow-oriented sets, and I encourage you to go and listen to them. I'm talking about subsonic bass, jazz, 3033, psycho bass, all tracks were ahead of their time, unquestionably. This is pure history. It was recently remastered and reissued, so let's drop it. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. This is Joy Beltram, Beltram Volume 1 on RNS Records. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful release. And what a record. If you are able to get your hands on a copy, definitely grab it, because like even like the other tracks are like wonderful. I have to say that I listened to this record again after so many years. And when I enjoyed like the B2 or A2 tracks, like it was like, what's going on? Like I almost forgot how good this record is. So definitely one to add to your collection. Okay, so this brings us almost to the end of today's show. But I want to take a minute to talk to you about, well, one of our projects. As you know, we have a web store. You can head over to ModeZero.xyz or XYZ and tap on the merchandise tab. You will access our online store where you can find gadgets like this, shirts and clothing, and all the revenue that we get every year from the sales, we devolve it to research against cancer. In Italy, we have IARC, is an organization that is funding research and supporting the fight against cancer. Is something that is close to our heart, and it's a way for us to contribute, you know, to something meaningful, because we truly believe that music can go a long way and it can do a lot of good, and also outside the dance floor, outside the sonic experience we can enjoy, you know, on a night out at a club, at a festival, or simply enjoying music with your friends in your spare time on your headsets. And this is something we brought to life a couple of years ago, and the store has grown, and every year we have new customers that like our products and are happy to share with their friends. So if this is the first time you hear about this, head over to ModeZero.xyz. Have a look at our selection of gadgets and products that can power your days, that can power your music events, and you will be able also to support a good cause. So thank you for your support, for all of you, and stay tuned on the new season because we have something new coming up. Excellent. Good. So we are almost at the end of today's show, and I was a little bit, well, I wasn't sure which record to share with you, to be honest, because we have way too many records in our inbound folder. But I'm going to share a record that I recently played in one of my sets, and the effect that it got, it was, I would say, was super intense. The artist, you already know this artist, because I'm talking about Eric Lubes. This is I hope I'm pronouncing it well, Spaker 136. It was released on Compact Extra, and this one comes from Eric. If you don't know Eric, he's an American producer based in Osaka in Japan. We already shared some of his productions previously on other shows. You guys enjoyed it, so I decided to play more of his records in my set. You enjoyed it even more, and so here it comes. This is a new addition to our XYZ archive, and definitely worth sharing. Michael Mayer discovered him on Bandcamp and instantly started dropping his track on compact sets. This EP blends acid ingredients, which are always some of my favorites, and minimal grooves and a real futuristic outlook in terms of sonic experience. So I really, really enjoyed it. I'm sure you will as well. So turn it up and feel the ride. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. This was Eric Lubes on Compact. What an amazing trip. This also brings us to the end of today's show. Thank you for those of you who tuned in. If this is the first time you join us on our YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. You'll be the first one to know when we go live and the first one to know when we release our next videos and initiatives. Thank you again for all of you in the chat who interacted live during our show. We're gonna see you again next month with another episode of 0 to 100, moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. Bye bye.